The Indian Constitution was legally enforced on the eve of Republic Day in January of 1950. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. The document lays down the framework demarcating fundamental political code, structure, procedures, powers and duties of the government institutions and sets out fundamental rights, directive principles and duties of citizens. Let's take a look at some interesting, lesser-known facts about the Indian Constitution. With 25 parts containing 448 articles and 12 schedules, the Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution of any sovereign country in the world. The original Constitution of India was handwritten by Prem Behari Narain Raizada in a flowing italic style with beautiful calligraphy. Each page was beautified and decorated by artists from Shantiniketan. The Constituent Assembly, which first met on December 9, 1946, took precisely 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to come up with the final draft. The handwritten constitution was signed on 24 January 1950 by 284 members of the Constituent Assembly, which included 15 women. It came into force 2 days later on 26 January. The original copies of the Indian Constitution, written in Hindi and English, are kept in a special helium film cases in the Library of Parliament of India. When the draft was prepared and put for debate and discussion, over 2,000 amendments were made before it was finalized. The drafting of the Constitution was finally completed on 26 November 1949, but it was legally enforced only after 2 months on 26 January 1950, which came to be known as the Republic Day. Our constitution makers took inspiration from various other constitutions while drafting the one for our country, which is why the Indian Constitution is often called a bag of borrowings. The ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity in our preamble have been taken from the French Revolution, which is also the French motto. The preamble to our constitution was inspired by the preamble to the Constitution of the United States of America, which also starts with "We the people." So these were the 10 most interesting facts about the Indian Constitution.